Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. Well, it is only a few days away. The month of December is upon us. In the United States, this month can be challenging in education due to its shortened nature and the fact that student attention may be on other items, such as the changing weather or seasonal celebrations. There is not one specific story I have this time, but rather some guidance. During this month, if you plan to play a movie in your school, check the rules of your organization and test the device before promising a movie to your students. I've experienced many educators who end up feeling stressed because the playback method does not work the day of the movie. If you're going to play a movie in a space different from your classroom, let your technology faculty or staff know ahead of time as well. Save yourself some stress and double check if the device playing the movie works. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.